Morning to one and all present. Today, I, Devika Hariharan, would like to present my BTM Semester 3 portfolio. These are the contents of my portfolio. This is the presentation made after listening to the seminar by Johnson Tiles. We learned about various types of tiles. We learned how to identify various types of tiles. We learned advantages and disadvantages of tiles, and these are the various other tiles manufactured by Johnson Tiles. Then we were also given an activity to find about various different examples of trusses, and these are the various types of trusses we found out. Then we had an assignment to make a model of roof along with the truss. First, I constructed a king post truss for the roof where I used toothpicks due to less availability of resources. Then I researched about various types of roof coverings, and then I decided to make my roof covering using Mangalore tiles. I cut out cardboard strips to make the tiles, and then I pasted a base over the truss, and then I added the tiles on it. And this is how the final model looks like. This is the market survey we did on cement. We learned what is concrete. We learned the various grades of concrete, about coarse aggregate, about cement, types of cement. Test performed on cement. Different brands of cement, about sand, types of sand. This is the sheet we did on roof covering. This is the second sheet we did on roof covering. Then we had another assignment to make a roof which had 5 different roof coverings. I used ice cream sticks to make the truss of the roof, and then I cut out base of 25 centimeters and placed it above the roof as a base for the roof coverings. I made solar roof covering, green roof covering, Mangalore tiles, asphalt sheets, and thatched roof. I used various materials for various roof coverings. For the solar covering, I painted navy blue on the cartridge sheet, drew white lines, and pasted OHP sheets on it. For the green roof, I used green felt paper. For making the Mangalore tiles, I cut out foam sheets. And for the asphalt sheets, I used corrugated sheets. And lastly, for thatched roof, I used dried grass. And this is the final model. This is the presentation we did on soil. We learnt about soil, different types of soil, different types of soil which are used for construction. Soil properties, properties of clay, properties of sand. We also learnt about sieve analysis. Importance of soil in construction, formation of soil, different tests done on soil. This is a case study we did on shallow foundation. We learned various types of foundation. We focus mainly on combined footing. We learnt a lot about combined footing. We researched about it, types of combined footing. We learnt about steps for designing. We learnt about the process, how it's done. This is the sheet we did on deep foundation, and this is the sheet we did on shallow foundation. This is the market survey we did on DPC. We learnt about various materials which are used in damp proof course. The sheet which we did on rolling shutters. Here we also made SketchUp models of the sheet. And this is the revolving door model which I constructed. Here I used ice cream sticks to make the door panels, and I also stuck OHP sheets to it, and then I added a toothpick in the center to act as a axis for the door to rotate, and I added two plastic lids on top and bottom. This is the folding door model which I have made. Here I've made the door panels using the same method done previously, but here I've added hinges to the door so for the ease of movement for the folding doors. This is the sliding door model which I had done. Here also I've used the same method to construct the door panels. Here I've added railing to the door frame for the movement of sliding doors, and I've also added a mosquito net panel. This is the presentation which we did on fences. We learned what are fences. We learned where fences are used, why fences are used, various types of fences. Different tools used for fencing. Advantages and disadvantages of fences. Sketch. This is the sheet we made for sliding door, and this is the sheet we made for folding doors. And this is the presentation we made on RCC. We learnt about various steel bars used for RCC, and we learnt about lapping, splicing and cranking. Thank you.